Presenting Whirlpool Ace XL, a first-of-its-kind semi-automatic washing machine with Insta-heater. It comes in a stylish grey colour with a capacity of 10.5 kg and has a rare distinction of being the only semi-automatic washing machine with an option of heater and non-heater. Ace XL sanitizes clothes with the help of an advanced Insta-heater technology. It removes up to 99.9% harmful germs and allergens. It also helps in removing up to 40 tough stains with ease and gives up to 30% better wash quality. It is supported with a cutting-edge 3D scrub technology and a high 1400 RPM motor which can wash large loads of laundry at once, even up to 14 king-size bed sheets. Its 3D turbo impeller with rotary stem and 3D scrub pads provide the perfect triple motion for clothes to remove dirt effectively. Ace XL comes with a fine triple-layer 3D lint filter that allows effective collection of lint and ensures clean clothes after every wash. It also has the 5-star energy rating for energy efficiency that helps in reducing the power consumption. It also saves more than 2 buckets of water with every wash. This product comes with a 10-year warranty on motor and prime mover, along with a 2-year comprehensive warranty on the product. Pay online using debit or credit card or via net banking. For EMI options, refer to the product page. For further information, visit the product page.
Bring home the Amazon Basic 6.5 kg fully automatic top-loading washing machine and get cleaner, fresher clothes every day. The machine is ideal for families with 3 to 4 members. This washing machine comes with a stainless steel drum with diamond design for higher spinning to give better drying of clothes without damaging them. The machine comes with 10 wash programs to get clean and fresh clothes every day. The LED display panel notifies the progress of every wash cycle and easily readable even in low light. This product is designed to deliver efficient washing with minimum vibration. With a maximum rotational speed of 700 RPM, the machine delivers efficient cleaning and also enables easy drainage of water at the end of the wash cycle. It comes with fuzzy logic that measures the wash load and automatically selects the wash cycle. The tub clean function automatically removes detergent residue from the drum to avoid unpleasant odors. This washing machine also comes with a delay start function that allows you to schedule your wash cycle as per your convenience. This washing machine has a rat cover protection that protects the machine from rodents. This washing machine comes with brand warranty of 1 year on product and 3 years on motor. You can avail the EMI or no-cost EMI option. You can also pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. You can schedule the delivery of this product at a day and time of your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installing your product within 48 hours of delivery. In case you receive the product in a condition that is damaged or defective, we offer a free 10-day return or replacement policy. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.
Presenting Whirlpool's superb Atom semi-automatic washing machine with 5-star energy rating and 3 built-in wash programs. This superb Atom semi-automatic washing machine has a 66-liter large wash tub which lets the clothes move freely. The Super Soak technology easily removes stubborn dirt by continuously soaking and scrubbing the clothes for 25 minutes. This washing machine comes with a waterproof and shockproof control panel which is smartly designed to protect the water from seeping inside. The high-efficiency powerful motor rolls the clothes in all directions, giving a thorough cleaning. With 1400 RPM spin speed, the clothes dry quickly, saving you time and energy. This semi-automatic machine has auto restart function. This means that during power cuts, the machine remembers where it stopped and restarts from there when the power comes back. The machine is equipped with 4 wheels which provides easy mobility and thus can be easily moved from one place to another. The buzzer produces a beep sound at the end of each washing cycle to let you know that it is done. So, get home the Whirlpool Superb Atom semi-automatic washing machine and get cleaner clothes every day. This washing machine comes with a 2 years warranty on product, 5 years warranty on wash motor and prime mover. For EMI options, refer to the product page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For further information, visit the product page. Presenting the Whirlpool White Magic Royal Plus washing machine. This machine comes in two variants of 7 and 7.5 kg washing capacity. Whirlpool White Magic Royal Plus, a fully automatic washing machine with 6 Sense smart technology, senses the laundry weight and recommends detergent to avoid under or overdosing. The smart sensors in the machine automatically sense and indicate low voltage and the water condition. This machine restarts automatically after any voltage or water fluctuation and continues the cycle from where it left off. The easy-to-use 1-2-3 wash system ensures a complete wash cycle and can be operated with 3 simple buttons. Also, it has a back panel with LED digital display. This washing machine comes with Spiro wash action, which gives better cleaning results. The advanced wash motion gives a superior load movement with better rollover. This ensures a more uniform wash for all the clothes in the machine. The machine also adapts its operations while washing clothes with hot water. This maintains the softness and color of your clothes. The Whirlpool White Magic washing machine comes with zero pressure fill technology that fills the tub faster even when the water pressure is low. It is a 5-star rated product, providing resource efficiency for both electricity and water. And it comes with Eco Wash program that helps you save more than 2 buckets of water with every wash. This product comes with a 5-year warranty on motor and prime mover and a 2-year comprehensive warranty on the product. For EMI options, refer to the product page. Pay online using debit or credit card or via net banking. For further information, visit the product page.